Ladies and gentlemen, in this video, I'm going to show you how I was able to catch a 1 to 10 risk reward ratio on gold right here. A beautiful trade setup that turned out really amazing, right? So let me just break it down to you guys what happened and everything. So you're going to realize that yesterday, in the morning, around 9 in the morning, I spotted this beautiful setup right here. So you can see that we had in the QML, we had a low, we had a higher high, and a break of structure right here. And then we saw the market coming into this area right here. All right. So initially, my thesis on gold was bearish already. So when I saw this happening, I was like, okay, cool. I saw the market giving multiple rejections from here, and I was like, okay, this is a really, really good setup, right? So I was able to share this trade in our signals community. As you can see, stop loss of 10 pips and target of 100 pips right here. A few minutes, you can see this was shared around 9:11 right here. By the time it was 9:21, few minutes later, the market had moved like this right here. It was almost like 1 to 2, 1 to 3 already. And then I had to tell the community to actually go break even on this particular trade right here. So we went break even, and just at 10 hours, right? Market came all the way to the take profit, and it was hit like that. It was a beautiful short trade which took about less than an hour actually. From start to finish, we were able to actually take this trade all the way, and this was the before and this was the after. Amazing trade, right? So this is how what happened right here. You can see that everything was updated in our private community, from the trade entry, from to the trade management, until we actually reached take profit, which was a beautiful 1 to 10 risk reward ratio. And if you check our M&F mentorship community, I think you're going to realize that we actually had forecasted this particular pair right here. So this was the initial forecast. However, you can see that right here, my idea was to actually sell gold right here, and I actually sold, and this is how it is right here. It was a beautiful trade. Let me just show you what happened on the chart right here. So this is the one right here. It was just nice rally based drop supply zone, QML low high break of structure, rally based drop supply zone. The market comes into my area right here, and it was actually a scalp trade right here, because I took this on the 1 minute time frame right here. It was absolute. One thing I loved about it is that it was really nice and easy. It was quick, and we're out in an hour with about 1 to 10 risk reward ratio. This is how it is. So if you look at this right here, this forecast right here, this is where I was looking at long term, right? Let me just show you something. So if you zoom up, we go to the 4-hour time frame. Let me just show you. The market actually came to the exact level I was actually waiting for. So this was the initial forecast that we did. So if you can just do this, you can just put this back right here. You're going to realize that the market actually came to my area of the initial forecast, which I shared on our apart from our mentorship community. Also, I was able to share this particular forecast on Facebook and Instagram as well. So for those that managed to actually jump in on this particular trade, congratulations. But for me, I couldn't enter this particular trade. Why? Let me go to lower time frame. I show you. Because the Asian session was not taken out. The market didn't take out the high of the Asian session so that I can give me permission to enter. So right here, I didn't actually take this particular trade. However, it actually went beautifully in our direction. This was on the long term, right? But the one I was able to catch was a nice and sweet scalp that we did right here. So this is how it is, guys. So apart from that, I can tell you that this week has been absolutely amazing. So far we've taken 3 trades. So the first trade was gold, of course, right? The second trade was GBP JPY right here. So let me just show you what is happening to GJ right now. So GBP JPY. So if you come here, you're going to realize that this has been dropping beautifully to the downside. So it actually dropped about yesterday. It dropped about how many pips? Let me just show you guys. It dropped about 120 pips, and then started misbehaving right here. Decided to go to the upside. I took out this high right here, and after I saw that, I was like, okay, I think we are going to be actually out of the market. So once the market was here, it was around 1 to 6 risk reward ratio. right here, somewhere here, I was able to instruct the community to actually get out of this particular trade right here. However, we were able to actually go break even first of all when the market was in profit. From here, you can see the market was in profit. We went break even, and you can see that I was able to instruct the community to actually go break even. After that, later on, we closed this trade at 1:6 risk reward ratio. The other trade we took was NZDJPY. You can see that it was also a very beautiful, beautiful trade right here. Let me show you what happened right here. So after we entered this particular trade, later on we're able to go break even as well on NJ right here. After that, you can see that. Let me show you what happened. The market just dropped a little bit in our favor. However, the market ended up going against us right here. So you can see that our entry was right here. Then the market dropped in our direction for about 1:3 risk reward ratio. We moved our stop loss to break even, and then the following night we saw that the market started to push to the upside, and on this particular trade we were taken out on break even. So far this week, we have a 10-hour trade, we have a 6-hour trade, and a break-even trade, right? Which is absolutely amazing. So I have high confidence that this week we are going to end this week massively in profit. So that's how it is, guys. So if you've been wondering about joining our M&F mastery course, right now we're actually running a 50% off until the 31st of this month, right? So if you want to join our mentorship community, check the first link in the description. It will take you to our M&F mastery course. It comes with lifetime mentorship and lifetime signal. So for the next 3 days, you will get this service at 50% off. So if you want signals, it's the same thing. Instead of you paying the full amount, you pay 50% of the price. All right, so make sure you take advantage of that so that you actually become part of our community, so that you can actually become a consistently profitable trader that you want to become. All right, so you guys, I hope you found value in this video. If you have, make sure to subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section. Until next time, goodbye.